When building a team from scratch, or even when inheriting an established one, team leaders need to build or develop two key capabilities within their team. Good teams need two dimensions to be most effective. First, teams need expertise, or what we might call know-how or skills. When evaluating or assembling a team, take care to select or develop people who bring a toolbox filled with helpful skills and knowledge. After all, a team's primary purpose is to do something and do it well. To be effective in any setting, you need a certain amount of ability. That's why the first dimension is expertise. The second dimension is effective relationships. We aren't talking about being best friends or even wanting to hang out together after hours. What we are talking about are feelings of respect and willingness to listen and the ability to communicate with each other effectively. It's knowing how to navigate team politics and how to be considerate of others' contributions. In most cases, the easiest part is finding the expertise. We can look at prior accomplishments, recommendations, certifications, trainings, and educational experiences, all of which are indicative of expertise. Societally, we have developed robust expertise signaling devices. But what about the relationship side of the coin? You can ask around and gather opinions, but another resource to consider is your people data. What can you learn from survey data, 360-degree feedback, psychometric assessments, and other quantitative resources? For example, there are numerous assessments available that can help a leader understand everything from personal preferences to favored conflict styles. So our brilliant in the basics tip is focus on building the relationship dimension of your team. You can consider asking your HR business partner for help in gathering some people data to better understand your team. Use everything from surveys to assessments, all of which will help you better evaluate how each team member can build lasting and productive relationships.
Everybody, thanks for listening to Brilliant in the Basics, and visit us at decisionwise.com.